Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're working on this Mini Cooper. It's the 1.5 petrol, which is common in the BMs 1 series, even 3 series, Mini Cooper Air, not the Cooper S but the hatch, and this is the Countryman. So car has got drivetrain issue. Yours may go into lit mode, it may not, and if it's coming back with 108004, or should we say P0108 intake manifold pressure sensor, it is to do with this sensor. Okay, I'm going to get onto it as well so we know what's what. So reality is it could be the sensor faulty, okay, or personal advice, this is for all of you out there, what we recommend before you start doing anything, check the wiring, make sure there's power. Okay, if that's okay, that's fair enough. If there is power, we recommend you take this off, pull it out, give it a clean. There is electrical spray cleaners. Sometimes it's just clogged up, or it's petrol. I know it doesn't clog up like diesel do, but it can happen. And what we recommend, clean it. Once you have, put it back. If you've got a diagnostic machine like this one I have, do a full scan and clear and see where that takes you. If that does, happy days, you're fixed. If it doesn't, the next option would be to get OEM original sensor. I'm just trying to clean this so you guys can see. I don't know if I can see there, but that's your code here. It's a bit difficult. Let me see if you have to get the original OEM part number, otherwise you're going to be in the same boat, guys, every time. So there it is. You'll have to flip the phone other way around, or the laptop, get it, change it. But that fault code is to do with this here, guys.